What did you do? What did you do?
Me.
Did you mean? I came with you.
Pass your counter.
I came with you.
She's eating me. She is eating me. She's eating me.
Joe! Come. Kenny!
Destroying the aircraft. She's destroying the aircraft.
Yes, I will do.
She's beating her. She just slapped her eye. She wants to grab a quick egg. She just slapped her. She's destroying the aircraft.
C4.
Standby, there's a situation here. Standby, communication message.
You're laughing. My phone, my head.
Come back here.
My phone and my head.
Bless you.
She was giving her slap left and right. She was slapping on her head. She strangled her for 5 minutes. They just got her down. She was beating her. She was beating her. She was just trying to calm down. She was serious slap, but she was giving to her.
For having in mind, and everyone said having in mind to do this for me. I want to know how much you want to do for this today.
Operations run for you.
This is going. Go ahead.
I know I'm falling in our life.
Go with them.
Stop it. Standing by to instructions.
I want to see the head of that